Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the public storage app works and what users can expect when using it. To manage their storage rentals more efficiently, the public storage app is designed to simplify how users rent, manage, and access their storage units. After downloading, users can easily find nearby storage locations, check unit availability, and complete the rental process directly from their phones. Once a unit is rented, the app allows seamless account management. Users can view and update their billing info, make monthly payments, set up autopay, and even receive payment reminders so they don't miss a due date. One useful feature is the contactless move-in option. This means customers can handle everything digitally without needing to interact with staff at the facility. The app also provides digital access codes where applicable, depending on the location, letting users unlock facility gates through their phones. Additionally, users can review rental agreements, update personal information, and even move out via the app if needed, making it a full-service digital tool. Pros of the app include its streamlined rental and payment process, the convenience of managing everything in one place, and reliable push notifications for account alerts. However, some users report occasional bugs with location detection and login issues, especially after app updates. Despite these downsides, many users appreciate the user-friendly design and the option to manage their storage without needing to visit in person. Recent feedback from users mentions how convenient it is to complete payments in just a few taps. Others noted that the digital move-in process saved them time. A few, however, mentioned problems with the app, freezing or needing multiple attempts to log in after maintenance or updates. These mixed reviews highlight the importance of regular updates and app stability improvements. In conclusion, the public storage app is a practical companion for anyone renting a unit through the company. It offers an efficient way to handle storage needs on the go and reduces the need for in-person visits. If stability concerns are addressed more consistently, it stands out as a very useful tool for renters. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.